Experty, can you help me today with describing position of things? Of course, in Spanish. Let's start with in. La comida está en la nevera. The food is in the fridge. Then maybe above. La lámpara está por encima de ti. The lamp is above you. Then maybe under. El aparcamiento está debajo de este nivel. The park place is under this level. And behind. La silla está detrás de ti. The chair is behind you.